about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林泽修啊，跟 Alice。我们要教大家辛苦了这三个字，这个客语怎么说？
辛苦嘞，
辛苦嘞，听起来很酷的一个词哦。It just means thank you. Literally means thanks for the good hard work that you put in. Okay, but it could just in passing mean thank you for any job that anyone does. 好，今天呢就来一个，可能常常在公司里面会收到快递啊，然后可能急件啊要快点到啊，人家真的很用心哦。赶着把你送到的话，你一定会特别感谢他嘛，对不对？辛苦了，对对对。Okay, so how about a delivery that came really quick because you demanded it to be? 哇，东西到了这么快 ！Oh, the goods have arrived. That was fast.
哇，东西到嘞，很快哦！
哇，东西到嘞，东西就是东西 goods 到了哦，
到嘞
，has arrived. 然后这么快，
很快哦，
很快哦。Okay, 很快哦 Wow, that was fast, right? 怎么这么快呢？
对，那东西的海陆腔，东西。
东西 okay. Just slight different dialect for a different pronunciation for stuff. 东西 is really interesting phrase actually in Chinese. It actually means east and west, but it applies to any goods that you have. 就是东西嘛，哈 stuff. 好，那这快递到了要在那边盖章嘛，所以就会跟他讲说，请在这里盖章 ，please stamp here.
呛度亚 V 蹲音呢？
呛度亚 V 蹲音呢？哎呀，蹲要蹲下来，萝卜蹲，红萝卜蹲，蹲是蹬音啊哈。跟台语有像蹬嘛。You know, I like this word actually. 蹲 that actually means to stamp, and it's kind of similar to Taiwanese. 蹬音啊，蹲音啊。Okay, that's the stamp. Stamp the stamp, basically, right? 蹲音呢。And finally, you should reply because you want to thank the courier for, expressing this to you. 好辛苦了 Okay, thank you. 辛苦了。
好辛苦嘞。
好辛苦嘞 Okay, it really is implying thank you. All right, let's review some of these phrases right here that we learned. For instance, just stuff, 东西
东西
and then 这么快好快哦
很快哦
很快哦 and then to stamp a stamp 盖章
蹲音呢
蹲音耶 and it's all about saying thanks to someone by saying 辛苦了
辛苦嘞
辛苦嘞 and now you know how to thank people in different forms and that does it for today's Practical Hakka
什么太嘎
俺只say 章来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.